So today we are trying to replace these guys right here. Two of these go straight in, and I'm trying to back it up to the wall, so I'm going to put some elbows on these. It's going to look like this. There's going to be two of them. The thing with these is they come with tabs. So if we put those two together, they do not fit those tabs. So I took a Dremel and dremeled those tabs off. So now I can just put it in, we put them right next to each other, two elbows, and we'll see how it goes. All right, and here we have it. The two elbows. I only had to take tabs off of one because this one actually can pass. Anyway, there's the two elbows. Now it leaves me some space in the back. Instead of the tubes coming right off, now they go off to the side so I can back this up to the wall.